Hey guys, welcome back to chapter 8 of the HL test review over volumes of revolution. So number 2 on that review tells us a drinking glass is modeled by rotating the graph of y equals ex about the x-axis. For y is in between 1 and 5, find the volume of the glass. So this is what the glass looks like. My bad. So if we have a graph here, ex is exponential, so it looks like this. It rotates around the graph, right? It rotates so it looks like this. And then it is in between y equals 1 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So our glass looks like this. Okay, now find the volume of the glass. Since I am giving the restrictions and y, I find it so much easier to just switch it like this. So that restrictions are given in x, right? So instead of y equals ex, it's log of e to the x, whoops, to the y equals x, which means x equals ln y. Now, that's a function over here, okay? So when I find volume is pi r squared, right? Times height of these disks, since it is instantaneous, the volume of this, the glass is the sum of pi r squared, the radius of the disk, which is x, which is ln y, right? Times the height, which is the change in x, the change in ln y. Now, if I do it an infinite amount of those disks, it would just be an integral of pi ln y squared dy. Okay? And this is from 1 to 5 because we have that restriction. Alright, that's not so bad. That just equals pi integral 1 to 5 ln y squared dy. And when I remember log something to something power, the 2 can be moved forward, right? So this actually equals pi integral 1 to 5 to ln y dy, which can just be written as 2 pi 1 to 5 ln y dy. Now all we need to do is integrate ln y. Okay, so now here's the tricky part. I'm going to use u substitution and let u equals y to the 0 power, which is just 1, right? So du dy, okay, I don't really know what I did here because I did this review, a couple weeks ago, and I just never really recorded me working on it. So here's my work. I don't remember what u substitution is, and I'm going to fail this test really soon. But this is u substitution. U equals y to the 0 power. Apparently the derivative of that is ln y. I don't know why, but that's just the case. So du dy equals ln y, which means du equals ln y dy. So in the end we have, if we plug that in, we just get 2 pi 5 1 u du, right? So it's 2 pi 1/2 u squared from 1 to 5. You plug that 1 and 5 in and you get 24 pi. Is that even the right answer? Whoa. Let me check. You can tell I gave up on this review long before I worked on it. Okay. Well, yeah, no, I don't think I got it wrong. Got it completely wrong. It's okay. Ah, man, I'm so tired. I miss my energy. Look at this. 14. Not 14 shots of espresso. Alright, so this tutorial, why don't, instead of me teaching you how to do this question, you can just watch me try to figure this out. Okay? So I didn't use substitution. I don't even think I needed to use substitution. I don't even know what. Let me go look for my booklet. Well, hello and back to my tutorial. Turns out I lost my formula booklet, so I will do this tutorial without knowing any math. Okay, let's continue. I got here. I got this part. Right now, this is right. Let's get rid of this part. Okay, 2 pi. I need to integrate ln y dy. Where's the formula booklet? I printed out a new formula booklet. There we go. Oh, oh my, look. I found my formula booklet. How great is that? So I'm trying to integrate ln y. Well, looky here. I cannot do that. Actually, I can't. So, the integral of I just can't integrate logs. It's not possible. Actually, yes. So let's look at this. F of x equals a to the x power equals f prime x equals 1x ln a. So let's say f prime x equals ln y, which means it's multiplied by 1 over x, okay? And a 1 over x. Alright, so 1 over x must equal 1, and a to the 1 over x must also equal 1, so a to the 1 over x must equal 0. Well, that's not possible. You can't have x equal 0. So I don't know how to integrate this. Okay, I got here. Oh, would you look at that? So somehow ln y squared can be integrated into Oh, we need to integrate by parts. Well, I don't know how to integrate by parts. That's the thing. Oh, should I just turn this video in? Honestly, at this point. I'm going to pause. Oh man. I'm going to pause and actually, I'm going to finish this video and learn how to integrate by parts.